Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna teach you how to design a church flyer. So let's get started. So I open your Pixellab. You already know Pixellab. This is the interface of Pixellab. So when you open your app, you delete this new text. Then you go to the plus sign over there. This plus sign. You go to that plus sign. Then you select from gallery. Okay. I'll select this picture. You can go to Google and download those pictures. Yeah. I just want to have something here. Let me see. Okay, I have something like this. So I come down here. Here. Then I go to relative position and then use these two. You already know all this, so that my text will be in the middle. My shape will be in the middle. Alright. Then I click on my check mark. After this, I go in for shape. So I lock this on. I go here. You go here. Then you lock it. Then you come to shapes. Cover it with the whole background. Alright. Then you click on your check mark. You go to opacity. Then you reduce the opacity. You can see it. Okay. I'll leave it this way, 94%. And I click on my check mark. After that, I lock the shape too. Then I bring in another shape. So I go to shapes. Then I bring in another shape. Alright, then I'll go and select. I'll be using this color. Alright. So I'll select this color. Then increase the size of the shape a bit. Alright, and leave the shape just here. Okay, then I lock it. Now let me write the name of my church by going to the text, this capital A, and click on text and edit. I'll use this and type any church name. Let me just type this. Victory Assemblies of God. Victory Assemblies of God. Alright. Then I go and choose a font for it. Okay, I'll be using meme font. Alright, so let me reduce the size. Then I'll go to spacing. Then space the letters or the words. Alright, I'll have something like this. Then I change its color. Let me change its color to this. Okay, I have something like this. Then I lock it. After which I'll go to my gallery again. Oh, sorry. I don't need this. Let me delete it. I'm going back to my gallery. Okay, this is what I want. I reduce its size. Then position it in the middle here. Let me unlock this. Position it in the middle. And then reduce its size again. and go back to the spacing. Okay, then I position it in the middle again. Bring it down small. Alright, so I have something like this. Then I type let me lock this shape before. Then I just type anything. Worship. Bring it here. Change the font. So let me try this main font again and see. Okay, then increase the size. Okay. Then I go to spacing and space the letters. Then go to size. Sorry, position rather. Okay. So this way I'll change the color to this and add shadow so that it will be seen. Alright. Alright, I'll do something like this. Worship. Okay, let me try and add strokes and see how it will be. I change the strokes color to white. Okay, I have something like this. So let me position it well. Alright, so I have something like this. Let me send it to the top. So we are good to go. So let me lock it. So I'll say worship with us. So with. I'll start with capital. So with. I'll bring the text here. Change its font before I'll increase the size. So I'll go to my fonts. Okay. So I'll be using this font. I'll bring it in somewhere here. Worship with us. So I'll lock this one. New text again. And I'll type the as US. Then I position it here. Sorry, let me cancel. Let me delete this text. Unlock this one first. Sorry. So I'll copy it. Bring it here. Then okay, I'll copy it. Bring it here and edit it. Sorry. So I have my as here. Let me change the color and see what I've done. Okay. Then position it well. Worship with us. Okay, then I lock it. I lock the two. So now I go to shapes. Bring in another shape. Something like this. Then I change its color to this. Alright. So this will be the color that I'm going to use. So I'll come here and the next thing to do is I'll go here to the Victory Assemblies of God. Click on this. Click on copy. This is the copy. So click on copy. Alright. Then bring it here. After which I'll change its color to white and increase the size. And bring this down a bit. Okay, so I'll lock this and lock this. After that, I bring in another shape. But this time round, we'll make the shape very narrow. Okay. Then place it under the Assemblies of God like this. Let's reduce the relative size. Okay. Then place it under neatly. Okay, we have something like this. Then we lock that shape too as well. Then we type another thing. We just type maybe the venue, so we just say opposite. Let me just write anything. Opposite police station. Then I'll change the font to the main font. Please, in graphic design, don't try to be using different fonts. Just use only 2 or 3. So let me edit it. Change everything to capital. Okay, so I have something like this. Then I'll reduce the size. The spacing tool. Okay, so I have something like this. Opposite police station. Then let me bring it down a bit and position it well. Copy the same text, bring it down here and edit it. So I have something like this. Okay, so I have something like this. Then I'll just write the numbers, or before that let me bring in another shape. I just want to make the design nice, so let me lock this one and bring in another shape. Before that, guys, let me reduce the size of these ones. Let me reduce the size. So the size is 32. Let me reduce it to 25. Yeah, these two I reduce it to 25. Then let's turn it to the top a bit. Okay. Okay, so I have something like this. Now I can lock them. Then I'll bring in another shape. Just make it narrow. Okay, let's leave the shape. I just want to make some simple flyer. So let's add another text. So write 7 a.m. to 10 a.m. Okay, so bring it down here and change the font to the main font. Reduce its size. Okay, then we work on the spacing too. Okay, then we go to background. Then we add background. We change the color of the background to white. Sorry. Okay, we change it to white and change the color of the text to this color, this wine color. Okay, then we position it well. Let's bring it down. Now I can write some numbers so that let's say you want to contact us. So I lock this one, then I bring in another shape, then just write a number down. So +23325787285 +23325787285. Then I bring it down here. Then I change it to the font we are just using. So I reduce the size. Okay, and position it well. Alright, so I have something like this. Isn't it nice? I have something like this. So let's go back to where we started. This victory as of God. Let's work on it. Let's bring it down a bit. And the logo over there, we'll bring it down too as well. Okay. After this, let's see if we can add an image. So we go to our gallery. So our gallery, then I see if I can add any image. Let me try this image. Okay, so I'll increase the size. Let me reduce the size. Okay, so then I lock it. So guys, I can say we are done. So you now go on to this place. You know how to save it already. So you go there, then you save as image. Then you see where they've written default, you come here and select Ultra, and then click on Save to Gallery. Okay, it's saving our image. Boom, it has been saved. Guys, thank you very much for watching this video. See you on my next video. Goodbye.